So, hi guys. Today I am taking the seminar about serverless computing. So, in the constantly evolving world of technology, serverless computing has emerged as a groundbreaking model that changes the way developers think about building and deploying software. So, contrary to what the name might suggest, serverless does not mean no servers. Instead, it means that the server management is completely abstracted away from the developers and handled directly or entirely by cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, like AWS and Microsoft Azure, and also Google Cloud Functions. So developers no longer need to provision, scale, or maintain servers. Instead, they can focus purely on writing business logic in the form of small, single-purpose functions that execute only when needed. So, one of the core benefits of serverless is its event-driven architecture. Serverless functions are triggered by events such as HTTP requests, file uploads, database changes, or scheduled tasks. This model allows applications to respond to real-time user action or system events, enabling high responsiveness and agility. Since these functions are stateless and ephemeral, they scale automatically based on demand. Whether an app sets 10 requests or 10 million, the cloud provider handles scaling seamlessly without the need of manual configuration. And another major advantage of serverless is its cost efficiency. Traditional servers run 24 into 7, meaning you pay for uptime even during life idle periods. The serverless, uh, we can only pay for the computer time the time our function uses. There are no costs for idle time, which is particularly valuable for startups or applications with inconsistent traffic. Pricing model known as pay as you go makes server attractive for companies seeking to reduce their operational expenses while maintaining performance and scalability. So, from development perspective, serverless leads to faster time to market. Developers can break their application into microservices or functions and deploy them independently. So, this improves modularity, makes debugging simpler, and enables teams to work in parallel on different parts of the applications. Serverless platforms often come with built-in monitoring, logging, and security features. Reduces the need to set up third-party tools. Additionally, serverless fits well with modern development practices like DevOps and CI/CD pipelines, promoting automation and efficient release cycles. So, despite its advantages, serverless isn't without challenges. Cold start. The time it takes to sign up a function that hasn't even been evoked recently can reduce latency, especially in the sensitive applications. Additionally, most serverless platforms impose execution the limit, time limits, memory restriction, and limitations on supported runtimes. These constraints can affect complex or long-running tasks. Another concern is vendor support runtimes. Vendor lock-ins applications built on the cloud provider serverless platform might not easily transfer to another provider without major code changes. Debugging serverless applications can also be more complex due to their distributed and firmware nature, often requiring custom tooling and additional setup for effective local. Serverless is not a one size fits all solution. It's ideal for use cases like REST API, data processing, chatbots, IoT event handlings, cron jobs, and backend for mobile or web applications. However, for applications require constant throughput processing, low latency requirements, or persistent connections like gaming backends or financial systems. Other architectures like containerized microservices or dedicated virtual machines may be suitable. The ecosystems system around the serverless computing is rapidly maturing. That means tools like serverless framework, AWS SAM, that means serverless application, and Google Cloud Run simply simplify developments and orchestration. Cloud providers are working to minimize cold starts as offer more flexible in runtime environment. Hybrid models are also emerging. Serverless containers allow teams to combine the scalability of serverless with the control of containers. Moreover, integration with database services like AWS DynamoDB, Firebase File Store, and event buses like AWS Event Bridge or Kafka is expanding the capabilities of